Laro tayo ng lip game. Mag-ano ako, bagbasahin mo yung, yung action ng lips ko. Okay? O bibigay ako ng beginning sound, saka ending sound. So wala mo. Apo? Tapos, ikaw naman. Ikaw naman yung babalik. Sige, babalik. Sino una? Ako o ikaw po?
Ikaw, kasi ikaw yung nagtanong ngayon.
Ako po. Sige po. Sige. Game beginning sound. The beginning sound is the ending sound is okay?
Power. Far. Fur. Four.
Diba? Diba? Lahat na lang.
Four. Hour.
Ano po yun?
Hour.
Ano po yun? Ano po?
Hour.
Ano po yun?
Hour.
Ano po?
Hour.
Sirit na?
Hour.
Ano yung last guess mo?
Hour.
Ano po?
Hour.
Wrong. 1 minute na.
Try again next time.
Flower. Flower pala. Opo. Flower pala. O, ikaw naman magpahula. Ikaw naman po. Sige, ikaw naman.
Ikaw naman,
Ikaw naman
Your turn.
Your turn. Ikaw naman. Ako naman maghuhula. Ano pong
Say
beginning
the
sound?
clue, ha?
Anong beginning sound?
The beginning sound is E.
E.
And the ending sound is O.
O.
U.
U. O.
O.
O. Ano po?
Flow yung sinasabi ko, flow.
Why are you saying it quickly? You wait for Dad to guess it na. Okay.
Mga 1 minute mo pang paulaan kay Papa.
Sige. It's okay. It's just your first try anyway.
The beginning sound is and the end sound is O.
O. Flow. Ang galing mo. Sige. Ako naman. Game. The beginning sound is W. The ending sound is her. Apo. It is
Water.
Galing! Very good. Galing! Think of a word na.
Naman
Ano po?
Chandelier.
Chandelier. Ano po? Sige po, ikaw naman.
Your turn. Think of a
Your turn na.
word and
Think of
wait
a-
for Dad to guess for it, ha?
The beginning sound is
Ano po?
P.
Po. Ending sound is Ilaw.
Puzzle, Papa, yung sinasabi ko. Puzzle yung sinasabi ko.
You wait for Dad to guess it na.
Wait for me to guess the word. Huwag sabihin ng sagot. Apo?
The beginning sound is
Sige na, beginning sound is
P.
Po.
And the end sound is E.
Puzzle! Yay! Ako naman. Sige. The beginning sound is the beginning sound is B. Ending sound is R. The word is sa sound po.
Bear.
Galing naman niya.
Ikaw magpahula.
Correct ka na. Very good.
Ano naman? Ikaw naman magpahula. Sige na, kaya naman naisip mong word. Pag sabi mo wala bigyan.
And the beginning sound is a book.
Ba?
And the end sounds
Bus? 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 Balance?
Wow! Galing! Very good!
Gusto nyo ba?
Ay, ang galing. You read it from my
Balance?
shirt. Very good.
Balance. Ako naman. Begins with the sound.
terno.
Begins with the sound. And the sound is po.
Lip.
Po. The word is
Lip. Lap, lap.
Walmart. Tell her the clue again, Dad.
the beginning sound is and the sound is po.
Tap, tap. Lap, lap. 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 Lap, tap.
Wow! Very good, Rain! Ang galing!
Last na.
Last word,
The
Rain.
beginning sounds
Mm.
and the beginning sounds
Mm-hmm.
and the end sounds
Mouse.
Wow!
Oh,
Can we have one bonus word from Dad?
What
Because
bonus
Dad
word?
is so cute.
one bonus word na.
Okay.
The beginning sound is
Kita mo naman yung takla na
Ano?
daliri.
ano ba?
Look at daliri.
The beginning sound is the beginning sound is
Now come closer to Dad. Oh, the beginning sound na. He's giving the
the
clue.
beginning sound is the ending sounds
Now wait.
Wow! Very good, Rain! Great job! You both are
Ikaw ba?
very
Ikaw ba?
good. Oh, one more for Rain.
Ikaw na.
One last.
Last na. Ikaw.
One sword.
One bonus word from Rain.
The beginning sound is
Oh,
and then sounds who.
oh,
I oh.
oh.
One more. The beginning sound is...
The beginning sounds fuck and the ending sounds oh.
Oh. Pillow.
Wow! Great job! Very good, anak. That is a very good beginning sound game. High five! Great job, Dad. Thank you.
Love you.
I love you, Rain. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching our new vlog. Now,
Thank you, Rain. Say please like and subscribe. Rain. Say please like and subscribe, everybody. God bless.
God bless. Food time. Grab food.
Say I love you. Say I love you, anak.
I love you.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Mag-watch na tayo kasi more videos lang.